Do cats really have 9 lives? The saying, cats have 9 lives, is a metaphor that comes from observing how agile and resilient cats are. They often survive accidents that other animals might not, such as falling from high places or suffering serious injuries. This is because their bodies are flexible, well-balanced, and lightweight. The belief symbolizes a cat's endurance, toughness, and good fortune. In reality, cats have only one life like any other living being, but the phrase is still used to express their remarkable abilities and mysterious nature.